Hello and welcome to my channel, The Right Foundation, where bookkeeping for small businesses starts with smart books. As you know, the end of the year is quickly approaching. So, I have a very important question to ask you as an entrepreneur or a small business owner. Are you ready to file your business taxes? Are you? Well, preparing for tax season is very important for small business owners to stay compliant, avoid stress, and possibly save you money. It is important to get organized early so that you are not going crazy at the last minute. First, you want to start preparing by gathering and receiving financial documents. Now, to make sure you have all your documents, you want to have a list. And the list includes income statements, balance sheet, bank and credit card statements, receipts for business expenses, payroll records, loan statements, and sometimes inventory records. Next, you want to separate your business and personal finances. I'm telling you, you always want to do that. If you have not already done so, you want to open a separate business bank account and use it only for business transactions. This makes it easier to track deductible expenses, avoid IRS. Let me say that. You want to make sure that you separate your business transactions from your personal transactions to avoid IRS red flags and prove legitimate business costs. You also want to review and reconcile your books to get prepared for filing your taxes. Before filing, reconcile all of your accounts to ensure that your books match your bank account and your credit card statements. It is also important, so important, to check for missing or duplicate entries, misclassified expenses, and unrecorded income or deposits. If you use an accountant to file your taxes, having clean books will save you time and save them time, and it will also save you money. Because if your accountant has to spend more time on your taxes by gathering more information or searching for information, the more time he spends on your taxes, the more money you will have to pay. You also want to identify and maximize deductions. Some common small business deductions, some common small business deductions include home office expenses, business mileage or vehicle use, office supplies and software, marketing and advertising, professional fees like your lawyers or your accountant fees, health insurance premiums, and retirement plan contributions. These are very important. Make sure you keep all of your receipts and use a mileage tracker or an app to document deductions clearly. There is no guessing games here. This is a warning. No guessing game. If possible, you might want to estimate and pay your quarterly taxes. If you expect to owe more than $1,000 in taxes, you are required to make quarterly estimate payments to the IRS. Missing or underpaying your taxes can result in penalties, and we don't want that. The key IRS due dates for paying your business taxes are April 15, June 15, September 15, and January 15 of the next year. You want to meet with a tax professional to review your deductions, to ensure you are in compliance with IRS regulations, help you plan for the next year, and also advise you on your business structure for better tax benefits. If you have employees or contractors, they can also help you with your W-2s and your 1099s, then make sure that they are filed correctly by the deadline, which is January the 31st. Remember that. You also want to plan ahead for the next year. After filing, evaluate what worked and what didn't work in your record keeping so that you can do better the next time. Consider adjusting your estimated payments. Set up a bookkeeping system that automates reports and expense tracking. And stay updated with the tax laws because they change frequently, especially deductions and credits for small businesses. Don't give all this responsibility to your accountant or your tax professional. You want to make sure that you are aware of what's going on behind the scenes. Keep an eye on IRS updates, like your state and local tax changes, new credits like energy efficient equipment or employee retention incentives. Now, are you prepared to file your taxes? I hope this information was helpful. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to leave me a comment in the comment section. Until next time, I'll see you on the next video by the grace of God. Okay? Bye-bye.